going to look at adding integers. I've got a really easy one to start off with, and we're going to use integer tiles to represent our calculation. So we have 2 positive tiles to represent positive 2, and 3 positive tiles to represent our positive 3. So altogether we've got 2 plus your 3, and that gives us 5. The next example we're going to look at is negative 3, adding on 5. And to represent this, we'd have 3 negative tiles, and we're going to be adding on 5 positive tiles. Now, when we have 1 positive tile and 1 negative tile, this gives you 0, and we call this a 0 pair. So a negative and a positive will give you 0. A negative and a positive will give you 0 again. And then once more, negative and a positive gives you 0. So what we are left with is 2 positives. So our final answer to negative 3 plus 5 gives us 2. Next calculation we'll look at is 4 plus negative 6. And again, to represent this, we have 4 positive tiles, and we're adding on 6 negative tiles. So the same as before, remember that a positive tile and a negative tile gives you 0. This gives a 0 pair, so there's a 0 pair there, and there, and there, and the last 0 pair is there. So we're actually left with 2 negatives. So our answer to 4 plus negative 6 gives us negative 2. The last example we're going to look at is negative 1 plus negative 4. To represent this, we'd have 1 negative, and we're going to add on 4 negatives. So there are no 0 pairs here, so we're just looking at our final answer. We're adding the negatives, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our final answer is negative 5.